Hello everyone, I am Hina and today I am here with another most important topic for statistics is the difference between accuracy and precision. Difference between accuracy and precision is a very hot topic and we are very hot topic and many of us have no clear concept about the definition of or the clear concept of the accuracy and the precision. Before I move towards the explanation of precision, I want to give you an example. This will be quite helpful for you to distinguish between accuracy and precision. As all of you know that precision, let's suppose I'm performing an experiment and measure the height of the students in a sixth class grade, and there is an error in my measurement scale that if the person height is 5 centimeter, it will show me 7 centimeter. So there is 2 centimeter. There is a discrepancy of error of 2 centimeter, right? So every time when I measure the height of the student, it will give me the height more 2 times more than the height of the 2 centimeter more height than that of exact height. So this will give you a point that if the same result will produce under similar condition, then it considered precise, right? Under similar conditions, if the same results are produced, it comes in the category of the precision. Now come to the definition of precision, the quality, condition, or effect of being exact and accurate, right? Being exact and accurate, so it shows that precision is quite similar to that of accuracy, but there is a hell of difference between both of them. Now come to the accuracy. What is accuracy? The degree of closeness to the true value is called accuracy. What is the true value? True value is our true value is the let's suppose our true value comes in the sense of the population parameter. Let's suppose I have an observation of 10 people's height and I'm going to find out the mean. And the mean is the central value, the scalar quantity, and the number of observations that are close to the mean is quite accurate. The degree of closeness is to the true value is called accuracy. This is the main difference between precision and accuracy. I will try to give the explanation of these two concepts with the help of a diagram, and this will produce quite helpful for all of you. Right now, I'm going to share a screen or whiteboard. I'm going to draw three diagrams as you are going to see these, number one, number two, and number three. And I'm going to draw a circle inside these diagrams, one and two and three, right? Both of these three are similar circle. I don't goes on the shape of the diagram or the distribution, right? Now, this is my target point. This is my target point, and this is my target point, and this is my target point, right? What I should do, this is target point. This is the point of target, and this is my whole area. Let us suppose when you are in childhood, we are used to playing a game when we throw an arrow and we hit the thing that we want and we need. And let's suppose when I hit this circle, my point is here. Next, when I hit the circle, my point is here. Next, when I hit the circle, my point is here. Next, when I hit the circle, my point is here. And next, when I hit the circle, my point is here. Now, this diagram shows that this is our true value. These diagrams show that we are not accurate and we are not precise, right? Not we are not accurate and not precise as we are too much far from our central value, and under different conditions my hits are not in the same direction. Now come to the diagram B. Let's suppose I'm going to hit the circles again, and one, I hit in the circle. Two, I hit in the circle, and five times when I hit the circle, my point is in the circle. So I am accurate here. The degree of closeness to the accurate to the true value is called accuracy. Here I am accurate because all of my points hit the circle. So I am accurate what I am doing. Now consider the third example, and I'm going to hit this circle 5 times again. But at this time, instead of in the center of the circle, my hit are here. Now you can, if you focus on these points under the same condition, my hit are there, not here, not here, not here, clustered around one point. So these are precision, not accurate, but produces a similar results under the same condition. So these are precise but not accurate. These are accurate. These are not precise and not accurate. First diagram show that your result is not accurate and not precise. Right? Not accurate. A diagram shows that not accurate and not precise. Precise. And the second and the third diagram shows that in second diagram my result is here accurate, right? And in third diagram my result are precise. Okay? And here my result are precise, although it is not accurate but precise, because they are going to produce the same result under the similar condition. So these are the basic difference between the accuracy and the precision. I hope this will prove you quite helpful for all of you to understand the concept of accuracy and precision. Thank you so much.